if you want to go ahead and create out memes, then you can actually go ahead and utilize meme generator as well. So to do that, you can simply click on meme generator, and then you can click on upload image, let's say for instance, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and select out an image that you want to go ahead and convert to a meme and click on open. So once you do that, you can see that you have an option to write out your text. Let's say, for example, I can say keep on dancing right here, just like this, dancing right here, until you feel full right here, just like this. So you can go around over here and then let's say, for example, resize it out over here as well. So I can go ahead and let's say, for example, select this out. I can add in more text as I want as well, just like this. You can go ahead and add in image as you want as well, and even go for text outside right here so that you can go ahead and add in text outside just like this as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and generate out memes as you like. Click on generate meme, and just like this, what happens is that you got a quick meme edit right here. So as I were to go ahead and download this out, this is what you have, as you can see. And that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the meme generator to create out your own memes by utilizing the images that you have inside of ILoveIMG. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.